Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Wix to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In the terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Wix is a versatile website builder suitable for a wide range of industries and purposes. It offers customizable templates, numerous apps and extensions, and robust e-commerce tools. The drag-and-drop editor makes it user-friendly, especially for beginners. Wix also provides options for online stores and additional business features. One potential downside of Wix is that its premium plans can become expensive, and there may be some restrictions on advanced customizations. In terms of pricing, Wix includes a VIP plan for $24, an unlimited plan for $12, a combo plan for $8, and a Connect domain plan for $4. It also offers business and enterprise plans. Overall, Wix is a better choice for most users due to its versatility, extensive template library, and additional features. It provides a user-friendly experience and more advanced options for customizing your website. Meanwhile, SiteRubix is more suited for affiliate marketers and those who want to benefit from Wealthy Affiliates training and community. You'll find links in the description to try each website builder. Check them out and see which one works best for your needs. Thank you for watching.